Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we are going to look at a couple phones I bought on eBay. I would show you the listing, but I got rid of the iPhone today and I'm waiting for the Note 9 to come in. So it was, if I remember right, $8 and $4 or $5 or $6 to ship it. So around 16 bucks for these. There's 3 phones in here, and the only reason I actually bought this is because there's a Sony Ericsson charger in here, and that's basically the only reason. I think it's a Sony Ericsson. I hope it is. It looked like one in the pictures, so that's kind of what I'm hoping for. Yeah, because I don't have that Sony Ericsson charger, so I need to get one. So I figured, well, the charger's gonna cost me 10 bucks. Might as well buy a couple phones with it. There's my packing slip. Does it say the price? No, it doesn't. I'll hide that out and then you can see right there. There's some addresses on that. There we go. Interesting job of packing, but I'm alright with it because shipping is expensive, I'll tell you that. Alrighty. I got sticky bubble wrap is so unnecessary. Alright, here's one phone. It is a Samsung U485. It's some model of Intensity. I don't remember the actual. I think it's maybe the 3. It doesn't have a battery or a back. So hopefully I have one that we can put in there to test it and I can order one. Let's see. Alright, here's another one. This is a M540. This is a Rant 2. Kind of reminds me of the Straight Talk version of this. It's like the R451, I think, off the top of my head. As you can see right there, it does have a cracked LCD though. But that's fine. I mean, the body looks pretty good, so we can probably get another one for parts. So it looks pretty clean still. And then here is a Palm. I've never had one of these, so I'm not even sure if the back comes off of it. I do have a one model, a Trio, I think, somewhere around here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to it though. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Well, I don't remember what model it is, but there should be a video coming up about it soon. So there's this. I don't know if y'all know. You can tell me in the description or in the comments below, and I'll add it to the descriptions. So I'm pretty sure the back doesn't come off. So there's that. Here is a, is it OEM? Yep, an OEM Motorola mini USB charger. So we'll test it out. I got a couple razors we can try it on. Here's another one. It's OEM as well. And here's this charger I was looking at. This is what I think is a Sony Ericsson, but I could be wrong. We're about to find out. Let's see. I was right. Sony Ericsson. I just seen the plug-in down here, and I didn't really know. Let me see if I got a Sony Ericsson phone. We could try it. Because I actually kind of like the Sony Ericsson phones. So I'd kind of like to get a charger and a couple batteries for them. Yep, there we go. This is Sony Ericsson something, but so we got a Sony Ericsson charger, and then we have a kind of looks like a Samsung battery, but it has no Samsung branding on it. It's a little bit bulged out. Nothing too bad yet though. Still use it because I risk my life on the edge. Here's 2 Verizon SIM cards. I'm not going to show the numbers on. They're probably no good, but in case they are or something. Here is a Nokia Battery. Feels pretty thin, so I don't feel like it's bloated out. So that might be good because I got a Nokia phone that actually needs one. And here is an LG battery. It is also thin. It doesn't feel like it's bloated out. And then we got 2 pairs of cheap headphones. Looks like they are 3.5 millimeter. That one is, and that one is. So next giveaway, someone's going to get some earbuds. So there is the unboxing of the eBay wallet. Like I said, I'll for sure put the actual price in the description with everything figured in. And then there's the 2 SIM cards, but you know, I don't even know. I know Verizon wouldn't even activate my old SIM card. They made me go buy a new one, so they're probably not any good. But we got 3 phones. Intensity, a Rant with the correct LCD, and then a Palm, which we have no idea anything about it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.